Hello students, in this module we will discuss about advantages of knockout tournament. Uh, Here you can see this one is first is less expensive. Why less expensive? Uh, I will not go to league tournament. In the later phase when the league tournament will come, then I will explain about the league tournament. So I will talk about only knockout tournament. Knockout, as I said in the last previous module, knockout means you lose the match and you are out of the tournament. So that is why when you organize or when you participate in knockout tournament, you get very less number of matches to play. The more you win, the more you play. You lose once, you are out of the tournament. So number of matches are very less in knockout tournament. I can just give a hint that if number of teams are 15, so number of matches will be how many? Only 14. That means total number of teams minus 1 is number of matches. Less expensive, so when there are less number of matches, so you second point, I'll go to second point, enhancing the standard of sports. Enhancing the standard of sports. Why? How come you can enhance standard of sports when you have got less number of matches to play? When there is a situation that if you lose match, you will be out of the tournament. So every match, whatsoever you play, you or your team will try to give your best performance in the match so that you can win the match and you can go to next round. You don't have the option over here that you lose the match, you have got some more matches to play, then there is a possibility that you can go to next round. But in this knockout tournament, there is no possibility of going to the next round if you lose the match. So that is why it enhances your standard of sports. You go for do and die, because you understand every match is treated like final match. Next, less matches, as already we talked, because number of matches are less, so less time. Obviously number of matches are less, so you take very less time to complete the tournament. Like when you participate in inter-school or inter-college type of tournament, how many days we participate in the tournament? Maximum 3 to 4 days. So in 3 to 4 days, if more number of teams are there, it is not possible to organize league matches. So every time it is organized knockout matches, because it takes less time. Less matches, less time. Here I will that is why it is less expensive, because within 3 to 4 days you can wind up your tournament. And the last point, less number of manpower or official. When you have got less number of matches, less time it takes, it is less expensive. Why it is less expensive? Because when you organize tournament, whomsoever you engage in the tournament as a official means linesman, referee, scorer, anyone associated with the game. When you call those people from the different institutions, you are supposed to pay them. Without payment, they will not come and do officiating for your matches or tournament. So when less number of matches are there, you have to call less number of officials to to organize the tournament. So if there are advantages, wherever advantages are there, some disadvantages are always there. So what are the disadvantages? We will talk here. First one is chance of elimination. See, when you play match, Is it possible to give your best in every match? No, it is not possible. Just like our level of fitness, every day it does not remain same. You go for jogging, you play sports. Every day you cannot play the sports in the same in the same energy level. Sometimes you are a little bit lazy. Sometimes you are very active. The same thing here applies here. When you participate in knockout tournament, the chance of elimination. You must have seen that sometimes even very good team, they lose to very weak teams. It is possible. It is possible that India losing the match against Zimbabwe or Bangladesh. It is possible Australia losing to very Bangladesh or Hong Kong or any other country. Sometimes even Nepal, nowadays Nepal and some other countries have also started playing cricket. In World Cup also you must have seen sometimes there is a big upset in the World Cup because World Cup is completely knockout tournament. So chance of elimination, that fear factor is always there. Next is more chances of weak teams to enter the final round. Sometimes when your luck is in favor of you, okay, the day is special for you, you beat any good team in the match. Your team is weak, but your luck was in favor and you win the match, you go to final rounds. Final round, that does not mean I'm talking about final match. Here in the knockout tournament, the final round starts from quarter-final, pre-quarter-final, quarter-final, semi-final, and the final match. So, number 3 points, spectators may lose interest in the final match if weak team reach in the final round. Now, any sports, any tournament, the beauty of the tournament is what? When two top teams, two very good teams, when they reach to final match or semi-final match, then people are also excited to go and witness the match. Don't you get when India and Pakistan or India or Australia is playing in the World Cup final match, don't you think nothing bigger than this? So, or else, if you see that India is going to play final match with a very weak team, so it is possible that you lose interest to go and watch the match. So these only 3 points are there. I will repeat again. If some more points come to your mind, you can add on here. Thank you so much.